Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program to check whether the entered number is divisible by 4 and 5. Okay. So basically in this program we are going to ask user that you enter one number. Okay. And we are going to check that that particular number, I mean same number, is divisible by 4 and 5 both. If it is divisible by both the numbers, then only we will print that the number which you have entered is divisible by 4 and 5. Otherwise, we will print it is not divisible by 4 and 5. So here we are using two header files. So first is the hash include stdio.h and second one is hash include conio.h. Okay. Then void main function, open the bracket, and for this program we will require only one variable. So name of that variable is number. Okay. Now we are asking user that you enter any number. So using printf statement, we are asking user and then scanf statement. So for example, let's say user has entered for example 40. Okay. Just for reference only, I am writing. Now the logical part of this program actually. So the number entered by user is what? 40. So here we have if condition. If 40 mod 4 equal to 0, which means 40 divided by 4, and if you are getting remainder as 0, then only condition true. Okay. So in this if statement we have total two condition. First one is this one, that is one condition. Then we have AND clause, and then we have second condition. So first of all, first condition as per our reference number, that is 40. So 40 mod 4, we will get remainder 0. So it means condition is true. After that and we have one more condition, that is 40 mod 5. So again 40 divided by 5, again we will get remainder 0 only. So in both the case we are getting remainder 0, which means if both the conditions are true, first one and second one, if both the conditions are true, then only it will go inside of this if statement. And inside the if statement we have only one line, that is printf enter number is what? Divisible by 4 or 5. But if for example user has entered instead of 40 25 for example, okay, not 40 but 25. So again if condition, so here 25 mod 4 equal to 0. So in that case 25 divided by 4, we will not get remainder 0. So condition is false actually. The first part is false and second part 25 divided by 5. Okay, so here we will get remainder 0. But in between of these two conditions we have AND clause. And what is the meaning of ampersand or AND clause? If both the conditions are true, then only it will go inside of if statement. Otherwise directly jump to else part. So in this case as per number 25 we will jump to else part. So in else part what we have written is printf entered number is what? Not divisible by 4 and 5. So get ch and close the bracket and output. So here I forgot that semicolon actually, get ch function and then semicolon. Okay, you have to use that semicolon here, okay, at this place. Okay, output is enter any number. So first time if I enter 40, so obviously output is what? Entered number is divisible by 4 or 5. And second time, okay, if we execute same program one more time, enter any number, and that time if we enter 25, then obviously it will print what? Entered number is not divisible by 4 or 5. Okay, so thank you all.